Good afternoon, Amarnath. What we discussed in the previous class?
We discussed about these and different materials were given with their advantages to solve the problem based on the figure
We based on the design lines. Any doubts in this regarding? Spaghetti, shall we go with the bubble here?
Yes, sir.
Already problem written in the last class, right? Now we want to solve the problem. So first of all, you understand the problem very clearly because two types of method will be solved already. One is same material for pinion as well as gear. Another case is pinion is made up of some other material, gear is made up of some other material. So measure is two different kind of materials. So that and all you can initially check out to the problem itself. In the given problem, what are the data is given? Only power is given, RPM is given, and the I ratio, transition ratio is given. Here the problem is material of gear is 15C and is given, and pinion also is the same. So now we want to take any one assumptions, which will be a greatest one, which will be on the weakest one. So that assumption should be taken. Either gear is highest means pinion is weak. Either pinion is highest, gear is weak. So that and all assessments you can take. Now the step-by-step procedure we can solve it. First one we calculate in the selection of material. Am I right? So selection of material is directly given to the problem itself. So they clearly mention pinion and gear is made up of 15 nickel, 2 chromium, 1 megapolybdenum, 15 per steel. So this is directly given. So second step is calculation of Z1 and Z2. So how do you calculate the Z1 and Z2? Anyone? First one, Z1 is not given means what we do? Assume. So Z1 is equal to assume 20. Now we can go to the Z2. Z2 is equal to I into Z1. In the given problem, whether I is directly given? 4 is directly given. So 4 into 20 is equal to 80. So Z2 is equal to 80. Third step will be followed as a calculation of pitch angle and the virtual number of teeth. So calculation of pitch angle. So del 1 is equal to 90 degree minus of del 2. So we need del 2 value. So del 2 how do we can calculate? Tan del 2 is equal to I. So del 2 what means tan inverse of I. Am I right? So tan inverse of 4 is equal to how much? 75.96. So this is called as del 2. Now if we substitute in the del 2 in the del 1 equation, become del 1 is equal to 90 degree minus of del 2. So 90 degree minus of 75.46. So what is the value of del 1? 14.0. So this is called as pitch angle. Now we want to calculate the number of teeth. So that is called as ZP1. ZP1 is equal to Z1 divided by cos del 1. So Z1 value is equal to 20 divided by cos del 1 value is equal to 14.04. So ZP1 becomes 20.6. We round off as 21. Okay. Next is ZP2 is equal to Z2 divided by cos del 2. So Z2 value becomes 80 divided by cos 75.46. So 329.7, it is round off as 330 number of teeth. So this is called as ZP1 and ZP2. Now we go to the fourth step, calculation of tangential load. Tangential load. It is denoted by Ft. Ft is equal to P divided by V into K naught. So K naught is given the problem taken as an assumption. We have 4 loads. One is a heavy load, steady load, medium load and a lowest load. So in the given problem they are not given means we can take it as a medium shock conditions. So the K naught value is equal to 1.25. That is called as assumptions. So directly power